Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. It's Friday. That means it's date night. For those of you who are new, every Friday I post a creative date idea from a book I published called 101 Creative Dates. Down below I'll post a link on where you can find the book on Amazon. There's a paperback version, a ebook version, and even a Kindle Unlimited version where you can read it for free. But I also decided to post all the dates in their entirety here as well down below in the description. So why did I have this idea for a book, or how did I come up with it? Well, back in college, I had the idea to put this book together and I compiled all these different dates, 101 of them. And I didn't actually finally publish it till earlier this year. And it's been fun. It's really neat to have this book available for people. There's something for everyone, whether you're married already, or you just started dating someone, or you've been dating someone for a while, or it's a blind date, or a group date, or a holiday date, romantic date, cheat date, or cheap date. There's just something for everyone. So that leads us to this date number 40, and this falls into the group date category, Truth or Dare Jenga. So for those of you who may not be familiar with what Jenga is a little game that's made up of these blocks, and the blocks are stacked, and what you have to do is you have to pull one block out without the whole thing falling down. And so that's the normal version of Jenga, and you take turns. Whoever's playing, you could have one or two people playing, you could have 8 people playing, it doesn't matter. And so you pull a block out, and if it doesn't fall, then you're safe. The next one pulls out, and you go until the thing falls down. So the Truth or Dare Jenga version of it is each block you pull out, you have to do what it says on that block. And some of them, pretty funny. One of them will say, like, scream at the top of your lungs. Another one will say, rub noses with the person next to you. There's just a lot of different things on there. They're not too bad either. And there's blank ones where you could write your own things on there if you want. So it's really fun. It's a fun group date activity, and you can share a lot of laughs, and it's very inexpensive. So you can invite a bunch of couples over to your house and just have an enjoyable time and prepare some yummy food and just, have a lot of fun. So that's this week's date idea, date number 40, Truth or Dare Jenga. Until next time, I am Matt Taylor. Happy dating, everyone.